Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about an election in the USA and one about two people climbing Mount Everest. Please join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I am here with Sarah, a LinguaWire reporter who follows world news. Hello, Sarah. Can you tell us about the election news in the USA?
Hello, Daniel. Yes, I can. In Louisiana, there is an important election for a Senate seat. A woman named Julia Letlow is trying to win. She has the support of former President Donald Trump.
Who is Julia Letlow running against?
She is running against Bill Cassidy. He is the current senator. He has been a senator for 2 terms. That means people chose him 2 times before.
What is special about Bill Cassidy in this election?
Bill Cassidy voted to say Donald Trump did something wrong in 2021. This made Trump unhappy with him.
How did Trump show his opinion about Bill Cassidy?
Trump called Cassidy a disloyal disaster. Trump said he wants Cassidy to lose the election. Trump supports Julia Letlow instead.
What happened in the election so far?
Julia Letlow won the first vote, but she did not get more than half the votes. So there will be another vote soon. This is called a runoff.
Who will Julia Letlow compete with in the runoff?
She will compete with John Fleming. He is also a Republican and supports Trump.
Why is this election important?
This election is important because it shows how Trump's support changes politics. Also, the winner will compete with the Democrat in the next big election.
Did Bill Cassidy try to fix his relationship with Trump?
Yes, Cassidy said they work really well together. But Trump still supported Letlow.
What did Julia Letlow say after the first vote?
She thanked Donald Trump. She said he is the best president the country has had.
Thank you, Sarah. This is a clear story about a big election and Trump's role. Now I am with Adam, a LinguaWire reporter who talks about nature and sports. Hello, Adam. Can you tell us about the new records on Mount Everest?
Hello, Daniel. Yes, 2 famous climbers have made new records on Mount Everest. One is Kami Rita Sherpa, called the Everest Man. The other is Lakpa Sherpa, called the Mountain Queen.
What records did they break?
Kami Rita climbed to the top of Everest 32 times. This is the most times anyone has climbed Everest. Lakpa Sherpa climbed Everest 11 times. This is the most for a woman.
When did they make these new records?
They both reached the top on the same day, Sunday. This climbing season is very busy with many people trying to climb Everest.
Why is this climbing season busy?
The Nepal government gave many permits. A permit is a special paper that lets you climb the mountain. Also, the path to the top opened late this year.
What did the Nepal government say about the climbers?
The government said congratulations. The Prime Minister said they wrote history again. He praised their courage and hard work.
Tell me more about Kami Rita Sherpa's history with Everest.
Kami Rita first climbed Everest in 1994. He climbs almost every year. Sometimes he climbs twice in 1 year.
Where is Kami Rita from?
He is from the Solakhumbu area in Nepal. His family are climbers too.
What does this story tell us about the climbers?
It shows their strong courage and hard work. Climbing Everest many times is very hard and dangerous.
Thank you, Adam. This is an inspiring story about people and nature. Let's look at some useful words from the first story about the election. The first word is support. Support means to help or agree with someone. In the story, Trump gave support to Julia Letlow. Example: I support my friend in the race. The second word is vote. Vote means to choose someone in an election. Bill Cassidy voted to say Trump did something wrong. Example: we vote for our school leader. The third word is win. Win means to be the best or get first place. Julia Letlow won the first vote. Example: she wants to win the game tomorrow. Now, let's learn the verb to break. It means to make something new or different, often a record. In the second story, Kami Rita broke the record for climbing Everest. The verb break changes like this: I break, you break, he breaks, we break, they break. Example 1. I break my old phone. Example 2. She breaks the record in running. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.